All right, what is up? Just finishing up another work day. Got the clutch, oil pan, and you see the power steering bracket and some other stuff on there. At a standstill right now. I could not get those broken studs out. As you can see, the other one's on the other side still there too. So what am I going to do is use the Dorman, the little clamps that I bought on the back of the head, and they'll come around here and have a screw that goes through and puts pressure on it. I'll show you guys once they come in, I get it installed. I got one on my truck, it works pretty good. Ellis's are notorious for breaking manifold bolts. So, I mean, I'm not too surprised that there's two. It just sucks that that one broke because the brackets are for here and on the front side of there. So it took me a while to find one that'll work for the back one, but I got it on order. Should be here Monday. So I'll throw that stuff on and then I'll go ahead and set the motor in. I could do it now, but you gotta torque those clamps with the manifolds on, and I wanna make sure I get it real good while it's on the outside, because trying to do it in there is gonna be pretty much impossible, and I hate exhaust leaks. So I'm gonna do that out here, and then I'll go ahead and drop the motor in and then make the trans back up to it, and whole lot of sensors and grounds to be connected, and rerouting and wiring stuff away from heat, all that good stuff. But hopefully at the beginning of next week, we'll be dropping the motor in and then rushing and getting all that other stuff done so we can get this thing back moving under its own power and get it out of here. So hang tight with me. Today's Saturday, so a couple days until I'll be doing another update until I get those brackets that I was talking about, get those on there, and then we can drop the motor in. But pretty productive day, I guess, so far. Impact's hanging in there. Drill, it's all right. It doesn't seem like it has that much power, but I mean, yeah, I couldn't really get the bolts, so I don't know what was up with that, if I had the wrong bits or whatever, but I just gave up. I don't have time for that. So yeah, brackets on the way, and probably start grabbing fluids and stuff like that while I'm waiting, stockpiling some stuff. But yep, that's all we got so far. So stay tuned, I guess.